Hey y'all. So for my snacks, really like these roasted deluxe mixed nuts with sea salt. $10. It's awesome. But I usually just keep them right here on the kitchen table in the bag. That's not cool. The bag's resealable, yeah, but the seal is all ziplocky and crappy, and by the time I get to the end of the bag, the nuts are all saggy. So I decided to get this really nice jar. It's very nice, but it doesn't have anything to stand on. So let's go make a stand for it. All right, let's get to cutting this bad boy. Nice chunk of walnut. Slice into it. We're almost at the end already. And it fits! Yay! Time to cut it out. I'm being slow and careful. Break the edge. Well, it's a round over, but a little step on the cups so they fit into each other. And there we go. Nice fit. Now gotta sand everything. And mostly hand sanding it. That took forever. Finished it in Odie's oil. Time to wait to dry. Rub it off 2 hours later. Fill it up. I think this came out pretty great, if you ask me.